my little string going around showing people about a 3D waveform, and it was kind of funny. I'm going to demonstrate to you what happens when you spin and when angular momentum is applied to a string. And this is what happened here. So if I can have lights down, let me try to get this going. Okay. So here we are, and so we've got little motors that are going to spin this. And here's the coherent wave function. And here with the strobe, I can stop the waveform that's actually a 3D wave. And can you everybody see that this becomes a 2D sine waves? And that's how we visualize it. But actually, if I show you the whole thing, then you see that it's actually a 3D vortex, right? Spinning in space. So let me show you again. I gotta change the strobe frequency. There we go. And can you see how it becomes? It seems to be a sine wave, but it actually is a result of a vorticular action of a rotating system. Here's a nice stable interference waveform. And interestingly, when you look at the central part of these waveforms, you can see structures that look like Mandelbrot fractal structures. And you can get much more complex one. Oh, this is a simpler one. This is a 2-wave. There's a 3-wave. I like that one particularly. There we go. Here's the sine wave in stop. Can everybody see that? And then you can get, like I said, very complex interference pattern. That you would expect from wave dynamics. This is a stable one. There we go. Here's a pulse. Here's highly complex waveform. So, lights up. This is my string theory. And it's a toy, but I think that it's a toy that actually has a lot of significance in the way things work and how physics function. You know, just like a string from string theory implies a lot of complexity in string theory, but it's only a string. Well, in here, you can start to see how the string, but I want to make clear here that I'm describing the string not in terms of some, you know, esoteric 26-dimension theory, but actually as a structure of space-time torque itself, so that what we see is the electromagnetic field coming out as space-time torque radiating after it has been contracted into the system and forced angular momentum. And so that the feedback is continuous. And those lobe structures that are generated when the string goes into stable harmonics resemble very much the lobe structures that I was getting when the spheres are intersecting in this geometry.